Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Moto G10 and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings and now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now let's tap on Advanced and right here we've got Backup option, which is right now in my case turned on. If you've got to turn it off, it will look like it and you won't be able to add the backup account. So let's turn it on just by tapping on this switcher and tap on Account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for adding the Google Backup account, and from this we can either create a new one if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. I've got it saved, so simply tap on Next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, we can tap on Next right now. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read them, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so simply tap on Accept. And right now your device is telling you that the backup includes apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, which will include Wi-Fi passwords and permissions, and also text messages, so simply tap on OK. And as you can see, we just successfully added our backup account to this device, and from now on all the content will be stored on the Google Drive. What's more, here you can decide where you want to backup the content, so you can use it Wi-Fi only, so it will be much better option to choose, because then you will totally limit the possibility that your device will take some money for that. So actually that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup account in your Motorola Moto G10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.